So I do the dart too. Like, so let's say for example, you are making a finger orthosis, right? So for whatever reason, you might make a dorsal one. Most of the time you'll be making a volar one, right? But if they have a fingertip injury, or if they have a pin there and you want to protect it, you could essentially use the same method and apply it here. So I'm gonna mount it. So you want to dart it, right? You're going to cut right down that middle, right? You're gonna dart it, you're gonna fold it, you're gonna pinch it, you're gonna fold it, you're gonna pinch it, and then you're gonna roll it, right? You're gonna roll it with your fingers. You know, get that corner. Of course, the one day I have long nails, right? You're gonna take it and you're gonna stretch it over that knuckle. Right? And then you're gonna splint like regular, right? So normally one of the things I'll do is I'll say, oh, okay, what do I wanna do with them? And then I'll trim it. I'll trim it before I really fit it, so that it's nice and smooth and it covers their DIP. See that? See it? Let me show you with this one. You might be able to see it a little bit better with so we have a finger orthosis. Right, we're gonna round it off. Round it off. We're gonna cut it down the middle, right? You can even round this too if you want, so that it doesn't make so it doesn't stick. All right, here we go. Let me show you. I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna fold it like a dart, right? I'm gonna pinch it, and then I'm gonna pull it. I'm gonna pinch it, and I'm gonna pull it because I wanna round it out, right? And then I'm gonna sit it right over the finger. If I'm making a canoe where I'm trying to cover their DIP. You can even blow it out a little bit, like if they have a pin or if they're real sensitive. This is great if you have someone who's working, they're a worker, but they need to go back to work and they have this stump that they keep hitting, right? You could do it in that direction, or, I forgot this thing got out. Or you could do it this way, right? And the same thing, you would just, you know, if you were making it for someone who had a middle phalanx or a DI, you know, a distal phalanx fracture, you could do this and you could cover them. If they had pins through the DIP, right, through the distal phalanx, you could build them essentially like this hood. And if you wanted to blow it out a little bit, you would just stretch it out. Just stretch it out, all right? And a lot of times I'll build this dart before I put it on them. So normally my nails are a little shorter, but I'll take it and I'll pinch it, and I usually don't have my nail there, so I'll use the inside of my thumb and I'll just roll it. I'll just roll it out, make it soft, right? Or you can use the whatever, your knuckle, while it's so warm, to kind of give it that nice little curl and roll, right? So that's a finger orthosis, a finger canoe with a dart on it, with a little hood. All right, how's that? Good? Any questions?